Well, I didn't really want to make this video, but I have to. We're going to be inundated with earthquakes on May 11th. And what you're actually looking at, in case you don't believe TV rots your brain, as you can see, you can try this at home. To shut the lights off and watch how often your TV flashes, almost like in a strobe-like code. But if you haven't stocked up your water, you better do it. Of course, we had the explosions today, and my crew was really angry at me that I didn't put this out on Monday like I was supposed to. And my apologies. I don't like giving bad news. But May 11th through the 13th, really going to be bad. 14th and 15th. And then we're looking at train derailments, explosions, those sort of things, subways, that sort of stuff. Yeah, what's interesting, what you're seeing is that little face on the ceiling, isn't it? In any regard, stock up on water. Don't forget your pets, pet food. And again, your refrigerator, dishwasher, microwaves. Of course, not using the microwave can act as a Faraday cage. In case of poisonings or, God forbid, nuclear explosions, or how they do it, controlled nuclear explosions. But get ready for the big one tomorrow. God bless everybody.